2010 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 38,000 on this one. Victory red in color, ebony interior. Now you're going to notice on this front fascia, that polished chrome piece. That was a company that made some accent pieces for the Camaros, such as these ice cube trays, as they were known back in the day. So they're to give the newer Camaro that old school look. They are on there as far as the front bumper, and you're going to see one in the rear bumper with a double-sided tape. If you wanted them off, they'd actually come off. To each their own. We're going to leave them on there, let the next owner choose what they'd like to do. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the price. That may also be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. You can also see it's riding on the stock wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side. Flat black highlights. That is vinyl. And then you kind of have this rub strip that would have also harkened back to the first gen Camaros. Of course, 6.2 liter LS3 powered automatic transmission with overdrive. 2SS package, as you can see there, with the gauge cluster down in the center console. Here's that rear trim piece I'm talking about. Has a K&N cold air intake underneath the hood now. The stock one is in the box and we'll go with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, it has a power sunroof. There's also some ground effects, I guess you'd say, that go in front of the front and rear wheels on both sides. Those were taken off by the previous owner. We will include those with the sale, so those will go in the trunk. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Oops, show you that handle. Does have highlights on that. Super Sport. And again, 2SS package. So a lot of modern amenities that you're going to get in the later model Camaros. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This does have the Boston acoustics stereo system in it. Power seat over here on the driver's side, as you can see. Heated seat, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. And again, that gauge cluster that's down in the center console. Start this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a look at those exact miles. There's the exact miles, 38,218. And as you can see, no check engine lights. Warning indicators, anything like that. Dash all looks good. Let's take a little closer look at the seats. I have to show you those. Leather looking good on the bottom. Just a tad bit of wear on the bolster right there, but nothing out of the ordinary. Again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. A little over 38,000 miles. Let you hear this run. Nothing over the top exhaust-wise. Nice exhaust note. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video up. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Does not appear that this has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Nice clean hood liner there. Cold air intake, like I said, K&N. Nicely done, polished one. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Great power plant. Again, 6.2 liter LS3. Paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive. Sounds good, looks good underneath the hood. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase, may be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro in a bright red with black stripes. This one also has chrome accents, similar to the 1969 Camaro style. Very good throttle response, lots of power from this engine. We have an automatic on the center console. The radio is working good. Very smooth driving down the road. No shakes or vibrations. Our coolant temperature is about 1/3 of the gauge. Fuel about 1/4 of the gauge. The factory tachometer working well. Air conditioning is working right now. Down below we have oil pressure of about 40. Volts at about 13. This also shows the oil temperature, which is a little over 200, and the transmission temperature, which is about 170. Very easy to steer, easy to drive car. Hugs the road really well in the corners. Comfortable bucket seats. Lots of power, very fun to push that throttle. Check out all the pictures and details of this Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.